that's where the tacos is made. It's all machine now. It's going to be done very soon for the afternoon. It's 10 o'clock already. Wow, look at this. It's going to be all starting soon. Cooked. Very nice, very nice. Wow, look at this, folks. There we are, folks. Wow, look at that. It's all ready. Ready to go. Oh my goodness, there we are. It's cutting it all out. Tacos. Amazing, look at this. Yes, it's fire. What a setup. Oh, I see. Got the circular little setting. Wow, I was asked to get into the little kitchen to see how it's all done. Tacos. And it goes through the actual oven here, as you can see. And once it's gone through the oven, it'll drop back into the main oven, which is roasting, and then the conveyor comes along. And it's 3 tiers of conveyor, and that's the cooked. Oh my goodness. Gracias. There we go, folks. I've been given the very first. Oh, beautiful. I've been given the very first tacos. Fresh. Bravo, Mexico. Bravo, Mexico. Chef, top chef. What a joy. What a joy. I've been offered the very first on a Monday morning. Tacos que Mercado San Camalito. And from here, it goes all the way into the market where you would have your lunch, your brunch. My goodness, beautiful. Look at this. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. It's a joy to get in early enough so that we can see the traditions being rolled out on a daily basis. And the most important is that we are always missing out the very originality of. But of course, you got to keep people feeding. The only way to do that is by actually machining it, but still holding some of the traditions and the values of this very beautiful land. And there we have it, folks. It is a joy to be able to see, and nothing is wasted. Everything is looked after. Wow. 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 Incredible. 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 Nice. Very, very nice. Beautifully done. Beautifully done. And it's stowed in this beautiful wet towel. And the gents, beautiful gents. And it's a great skill to have, and more than so, they're feeding the whole of the city, pretty much, and that is the most beautiful thing. That is the most beautiful thing. It's the absolute beauty, and wow, wow, wow. What a feature! What a feature to be exploring the first thing in the morning. And I was invited into to experience this phenomena early in the morning here in Garibaldi, Piazza Garibaldi, in Mexico, Federal, Mexico, and beautiful. Thank you so much. Feliz Navidad. Salud. Thank you. Gracias. Thank you. Bye bye.